And we're back, guys. We're at Deep River Water Park. Tell them, Deon, what's going on?
We're gonna go over here.
Turn the camera around.
No. We're gonna go over here. Then we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna show you when we get in the water.
We're going over there. Look up there. Show them
We're
over
going to go over there.
on that slide up there.
That big old slide. And
Come on this way.
I really don't want to because I'm scared. But I don't know. So I'm going to show you guys later. I fell too. I'm on something. I don't know. Daddy, till we get some Dippin' Dots.
Not right now. The money over there with Jazz. We should have stayed with Jazz. You through with YouTube? You ain't through?
No, when I get in the water, I'm gonna be.
What else you got to say
So,
now?
guys, we're finna get in this big old pool.
Show them this pool over here.
Yeah, I wanna get in this pool.
Show them this pool.
This pool.